A very good morning to all our growing solians. My dear children, welcome back in your class. Dear children, as it's our study time, so all of you get ready for your today's work. Our today's schedule, class first, subject English literature, lesson 9, I have a little frog. Hello my dear students of class first. How are you all my dear children? Hope you all are doing well. Very good. So, as you all are very smart and intelligent, this is our study time. So all of you get ready. So it's time for your English class, English literature, and we have completed 8 chapters. So now we'll study chapter 9. That is, I have a little frog. But see here, this is not a chapter. Actually, it's a poem. Yes, an interesting poem. You all like poems and stories? आप सबको poems और stories पसंद हैं? Yes, I also like poems, stories, old stories. So let's see what this poem is telling us. I have a little frog, his name is Tinny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. मेरे पास एक लिटिल फ्रॉग है. His name is Tinny Tim. उसका नाम है Tinny Tim. I put him in the bathtub. मैंने उसको क्या किया? अपने bathtub में डाल दिया. To see if he could swim. यह देखने के लिए कि जो मेरा फ्रॉग है टिनी टिम, क्या वो स्विमिंग कर सकता है, तैर सकता है. And what happened after that? He drank up all the water and gobbled up the soap. What he did? क्या किया फ्रॉग ने? उसने सारा पानी पी लिया. He drank up all the water and gobbled up the soap. और जो जितना सोप था वो उसने क्या किया? पूरा खा लिया. And when he tried to talk, he had a bubble in his throat. और जब सोप खाने के बाद उसने बोलने की कोशिश की, he had a bubble in his throat. क्योंकि उसने सोप को खा लिया था और पानी पी लिया था, तो पानी और सोप साबुन मिलके क्या बनता है बेटा? झाग बन जाता है ना? बबल्स बन जाते हैं. तो उसके गले में बबल्स हो गए. Wow, an interesting poem. So my dear children, all of you read this poem, learn this poem, note down in your notebook and complete your hard words and word meaning. Okay my dear students, bye bye, take care, God bless you. My dear students, your today's class is over now. Hope you enjoyed this class, and now it's time for our homework. My dear students, in your homework, read this poem properly and complete hard words and word meaning in your English notebook. So dear students, it's time to say bye-bye. See you in the next class. Till then, take care and God bless you.